The most common reason your Galaxy S25 won't turn on is that the system has frozen, leaving the phone unresponsive no matter how many times you press the power key. Other possible causes include a completely drained battery, a faulty charging cable or adapter, or even hardware problems that require professional repair. Follow along and you'll know exactly what to do if your phone ever refuses to power up. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video or drop a comment if you've got other device issues you'd like me to cover. Now let's move on to the troubleshooting steps so you can get your phone working again. The first thing you should try is a forced restart. This simulates removing and reinserting the battery, forcing the system to reboot. To do that, press and hold the side key and the volume down key at the same time, and keep holding for more than 7 seconds. When your phone vibrates and the Samsung logo appears, release the keys. The second fix is to check for charging issues. A drained battery or damaged charger can make it seem like your phone is dead. To make sure that's not the case, carefully inspect the charging port for dirt, debris, or bent pins. Then plug in your phone using the original Samsung charger and cable. Leave it connected for at least 10 to 30 minutes, even if you don't immediately see the charging indicator, since a fully drained battery may need extra time to respond. If your Galaxy S25 still won't turn on, it's time to contact Samsung support. This usually means a hardware issue that requires professional attention. You can visit the Samsung website or open the Samsung Members app to locate the nearest authorized service center and book an appointment for diagnosis and repair. These steps should be enough to get your Galaxy S25 powering on again, but if the problem continues, a technician will be able to confirm the exact issue. Subscribe for more helpful tips, and thanks for watching.